Philodendrons captivate with their vibrant foliage, diverse shapes, and effortless charm. These tropical wonders bring life and elegance to any indoor space, enchanting plant lovers with their unique textures and growth patterns. Let's quickly explore their fascinating world of natural beauty and variety. Philodendron verrucosum incensi. It stands out for its velvety, heart-shaped leaves, deep green hues, and contrasting golden veins. Philodendron hedraceum cream splash is unique for its heart-shaped leaves featuring creamy variegation and soft green streaks with trailing elegance. Philodendron imperial red is known for its broad, glossy leaves that shift from deep red to dark burgundy as they mature. Philodendron Birkin is admired for its dark green leaves adorned with elegant white pinstripes, creating a striking, sophisticated contrast. Philodendron Florida Beauty is prized for its uniquely lobed leaves splashed with creamy variegation, blending elegance with tropical charm. Philodendron Ring of Fire is celebrated for its serrated leaves showcasing fiery blends of red, orange, yellow, and green variegation. Philodendron erubescens White Princess is cherished for its glossy green leaves streaked with pure white variegation and subtle pink stems. Philodendron Florida Ghost is distinct for its ghostly white new leaves that gradually mature into vibrant shades of green. Philodendron erubescens Pink Princess stands out for its dark green leaves splashed with vibrant pink variegation, creating a striking contrast. Philodendron melanochrysum is admired for its velvety, dark green leaves with shimmering golden veins and an elegant, elongated heart shape. Philodendron grandipes is known for its large, leathery, heart-shaped leaves and robust climbing habit, giving a bold tropical presence. Philodendron fresh aurea is notable for its vibrant chartreuse to golden yellow foliage that radiates brightness and tropical freshness. Philodendron bipinnatifidum variegata is striking for its deeply lobed leaves marbled with creamy variegation, adding dramatic tropical elegance. Philodendron sunlight stands out for its bright orange foliage that glows with a radiant, sun-kissed vibrance and easy-growing nature. Philodendron lemon saw is unique for its serrated, lemon-yellow leaves that bring a vibrant, sculptural touch to any tropical space. Philodendron royal queen is admired for its glossy, deep burgundy leaves that mature into near black tones, exuding rich, regal elegance. Philodendron orange marmalade is prized for its vibrant orange and green marbled leaves that create a warm, tropical, and eye-catching display. Philodendron burgundy princess is treasured for its glossy, deep burgundy leaves accented with pink variegation, blending richness and elegance beautifully. Philodendron red sun is striking for its bright red new leaves that mature into rich green hues, adding vivid tropical color. Philodendron imperial green is valued for its large, glossy, bright green leaves and compact growth, offering a bold, tropical statement indoors. Philodendron gloriosum snow leopard is rare and captivating for its velvety green leaves adorned with striking white variegation and bold veining. Philodendron hedraceum Brazil is loved for its heart-shaped leaves featuring bold lime green and yellow streaks against deep green backgrounds. Philodendron Prince of Orange is admired for its bright orange new leaves that transition to yellow-green, creating a vivid tropical display. Philodendron Lemon Micans is unique for its velvety, heart-shaped leaves in shimmering lime to golden hues with a soft trailing habit. Philodendron Jose Buono is prized for its large, leathery leaves beautifully marbled with creamy white variegation, giving it a bold, elegant look. Philodendron Micans is adored for its velvety, heart-shaped leaves that shimmer with bronze and deep green tones, creating lush, trailing beauty. Philodendron Biliaceae is distinguished by its long, narrow, wavy-edged leaves and striking orange petioles, adding bold tropical character. Philodendron Biliaceae variegata is celebrated for its elongated, wavy leaves splashed with creamy yellow variegation and striking orange petioles, offering rare beauty. Philodendron Strawberry Shake is cherished for its vibrant variegation blending shades of pink, red, cream, and green on glossy, heart-shaped leaves. Heartleaf Philodendron or Philodendron hedraceum is loved for its glossy, heart-shaped green leaves and easy-growing, trailing habit that thrives indoors. Philodendron Caramel is admired for its rich, bronze to caramel-toned foliage that deepens with age, adding warmth and tropical elegance. Philodendron Hastatum Silver Sword is prized for its sleek, metallic silver-blue leaves with an arrowhead shape, giving a modern tropical appeal. Philodendron Mai is distinctive for its deeply lobed, palm-like green leaves and sturdy red petioles, bringing a bold tropical flair. Philodendron Red Anderson is striking for its vibrant red stems and lush green leaves tinged with subtle burgundy hues, radiating tropical elegance. Philodendron Emerald Red stands out for its glossy green leaves contrasted by vivid red stems and undersides, creating a bold tropical charm. Philodendron Narrow is known for its long, slender, deeply lobed green leaves that add a graceful, sculptural tropical touch. Philodendron Moonshine Melinoni Ghost is rare and stunning for its broad, pale silvery green leaves that glow with a ghostly, iridescent sheen. Philodendron Painted Lady is adored for its bright chartreuse leaves speckled with darker green and vibrant pinkish red stems, creating vivid beauty. Philodendron Rojo Congo is admired for its large, glossy leaves that emerge reddish bronze and mature to deep green with bold red stems. Philodendron Green Congo Hybrid Variegata is prized for its broad, glossy leaves marbled with creamy yellow variegation and strong upright growth. Philodendron Ploumani is unique for its large, heart-shaped, corrugated leaves with silvery variegation and distinctive ruffled petioles. Philodendron erubescens White Wizard is treasured for its bold white variegation on deep green leaves and pure white stems, exuding elegant contrast. Philodendron Orange Princess Galaxy is rare and striking for its deep green leaves splashed with orange, pink, and cream variegation, resembling a cosmic pattern. Philodendron Burle-Marx is cherished for its glossy, elongated, heart-shaped leaves that form lush clusters, creating a rich tropical display. Philodendron Tortum is admired for its deeply split, skeletal-like leaves resembling palm fronds, giving it an exotic and architectural appeal. Philodendron Giganteum is celebrated for its massive, glossy green leaves and robust growth, bringing dramatic, jungle-like beauty to any space. Philodendron giganteum variegated is prized for its enormous leaves splashed with creamy white or yellow variegation, creating a stunning tropical statement. Philodendron golden dragon is distinctive for its dragon-shaped green leaves streaked with golden yellow variegation, adding a bold tropical flair. Philodendron golden dragon variegated is highly sought after for its dragon-shaped leaves beautifully marbled with golden yellow and lime variegation, exuding exotic elegance. Philodendron Paraiso Verde is loved for its elongated leaves showcasing stunning marbled patterns of green, lime, and yellow variegation. Philodendron Congo Millions is valued for its compact, bushy growth and glossy green leaves that bring lush, vibrant texture to interiors. Philodendron Squamiferum hairy stands out for its unusual red, bristly stems and elegant, multi-lobed leaves that create a wild tropical allure. Philodendron Mame is admired for its silvery, cloud-like variegation on broad, heart-shaped green leaves and its elegant creeping growth habit. Philodendron mexicanum is distinctive for its long, tri-lobed leaves with glossy green tops and deep burgundy undersides, offering striking contrast. Philodendron snowdrift is prized for its large, mottled leaves blending shades of green, white, and cream, creating a frosted, snow-like effect. Philodendron summer glory is admired for its velvety, heart-shaped leaves that shimmer with bronze-red hues and mature to deep glossy green. Philodendron moonlight is celebrated for its bright, neon green new leaves that mature to deep chartreuse, bringing a radiant tropical glow. Philodendron black biliaceae is exceptional for its long, narrow, dark green to nearly black leaves and vivid orange petioles, creating dramatic contrast. Philodendron Ceylon is valued for its vibrant lime green, lance-shaped leaves and upright growth, adding fresh tropical brightness to any space. Philodendron autumn is admired for its coppery bronze new leaves that mature to deep green, showcasing warm, seasonal color transitions year-round.